How to delete all pictures on Facebook. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile. Tap on Photos. Here, you can view all your photos and albums on Facebook. Open any photo from here. Then, tap on the three dots above the photo. Tap on Delete Photo. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this photo. You can repeat the same steps to delete other pictures on Facebook as well. Following these steps, you can easily delete all pictures on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.